Welcome to our comprehensive guide on drug master files, also known as DMFs. A DMF is a crucial document submitted in confidence to protect the intellectual property of manufacturers during various submissions, such as INDs, NDAs, and ANDAs. Today, we will explore the different types of DMFs and what each type entails. Firstly, we have Type 1 DMFs. These files provide essential information about the manufacturing site, the personnel involved, and detailed operating procedures. This ensures transparency and compliance at the foundational level of drug production. Next, Type 2 DMFs include data related to the drug substance itself, as well as intermediates and the final drug product. It also encompasses the materials used in the drug's preparation, providing a clear and detailed overviews. Type 3 DMFs focus on packaging materials. From primary to secondary, these files cover how the drug is packed and the chemistry of the packaging materials like HDPE containers. Moving on to Type 4 DMFs, these documents cover excipients used in the manufacturing procedures. Whether in tablet form or lyophilized injections, it's crucial to know the binders and colorants in use depending upon the formulation need. Finally, Type V DMFs include FDA-accepted reference information. This section can cover anything from biocompatibility to toxicology information, ensuring safety and efficacy. Understanding these different types of DMFs is essential for those involved in drug development and regulatory processes. Thank you for tuning in to this informative session. Team PharmaTipZone. For daily informative videos, follow us on all our social media platforms and post your articles at www.pharmatipzone.com.